In a village burdened by relentless drought, the weight of despair loomed heavy, casting shadows over dreams and aspirations. Yet each evening, a resilient drummer emerged, carving a path through the stillness with rhythms that resonated like a heartbeat. His drum, an extension of his spirit, pulsated with the promise of rain, drawing villagers to the center as he played with unyielding passion. Though his infectious tunes danced through the air, most villagers scoffed at his unwavering optimism, dismissing his efforts as folly. "Drums won't bring the rain," they jeered, trapped in the dark confines of their cynicism. Yet the drummer remained undeterred, his belief in the possibility of change carving a flicker of light in the shadows. His unwavering faith served as a reminder that in the face of adversity, hope can spark resilience. Then came an enchanted night, where the air crackled with possibility. As the drummer struck the drum with fervor, the sky answered his call. Dark clouds began to gather, swirling like a river of promise above their heads. A soft whisper of wind wove through the village, a prelude to the roaring storm that followed. Suddenly, rain poured down like a long-forgotten melody, each drop a note of life cascading over the parched earth, igniting joy among the stunned villagers. Awestruck, they gathered around the drummer, their hearts now curious rather than skeptical. "What is your secret? How did you summon the rain?" they implored. With a gentle smile, he responded, "It was never the clouds I called upon, but the hearts of my people." I nudged hope awake, stirring it deep within our shared spirit. His wisdom infused a new sense of unity, cultivated from their collective experiences in times of despair. The rain brought more than just water. It infused life back into the village and nurtured a spirit of togetherness. No longer isolated in their struggles, the villagers united, sleeves rolled up, digging trenches to channel the water, transforming their surroundings into a thriving oasis. The drumbeat had called forth not only life-giving rain, but also a wave of transformation, igniting a belief that miracles blossom from unity and unwavering hope. This tale teaches us that even the direst circumstances can morph when hearts beat in synchrony, merging towards a brighter horizon.